With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, so question says this, which of the following oxide are acidic, basic and amphoteric respectively, right? So we have to arrange the acidic, basic and amphoteric oxide in this order. First we have to arrange acidic, then basic, then amphoteric, right? So let's start solving this question, right? So first we have to arrange it acidic, right? So first we have to arrange it acidic oxide, then basic. So I can say this is acidic, right? So this is acidic, right? This is acidic. So this is acidic oxide, right? And then we have to arrange basic and then amphoteric, right? So amphoteric, right? So amphoteric oxide are those oxide which have properties of as well as acid and basic oxide, right? So here we have oxides of magnesium oxide, right? So we have a oxide, right? So we have oxide MgO, right? P4O10, right? So we have a P4O10, right? So P4O10, right? So magnesium oxide P4O10, and along with this we have a Al2O3, right? And N2O3, right? So I am just writing overall oxide, right? All the oxides which are present in this four option, right? N2O3, Li2O, right? So this is Li2O and Al2O3, and so it's I have covered it. So after this SO3, right? And after this Na2O and A2O, and after this P4O10 I have covered it, and MgO. Yes, these are the oxide, right? So these are the oxide which is given in this all four option, right? So there's a simple concept, just identifying the oxide that is acidic and basic, right? So just you have to understand this. So the basic concept is the metals oxide, right? So all the metal oxide are basic in nature, right? So metal oxide, right? So I can say that metal oxide, right? So metal oxide, metal will always form basic oxide, right? So the metal oxides are always basic in nature, right? So basic in nature, right? while in case of non-metal, right? So I can say this non-metal oxide, right? So non-metal oxide, right? So this is non-metal oxide, right? So this is non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, right? So non-metal oxide are acidic in nature, right? Acidic nature, right? So now what about the amphoteric oxide, right? So you have for amphoteric oxide you have to just memorize, there are few amphoteric oxide, right? So you can memorize it, right? So there I can write here as for amphoteric oxide, so I can write as amphoteric, this is amphoteric, this is amphoteric oxide, right? So you can memorize it. There are some amphoteric, for example Al2O3, this is amphoteric oxide. ZNO, this is also amphoteric oxide, right? So GaO2O3, yes, this is the amphoteric oxide, right? So these are some kind of amphoteric oxide, right? So which have some acidic and basic properties, right? So now, and we know that the metal oxide is a basic in nature, right? So metal oxide in basic in nature, and non-metal oxide have a acidic in nature, right? So now we will see the option, right? In case of MgO, right? So in case of MgO, since magnesium is a metal, right? So magnesium is a metal, right? So you can see here magnesium and metal, so that means this oxide is basic oxide, right? So I can say this is basic oxide. So I'm just writing BO, basic oxide, right? And P4, phosphorus is non-metal, so you can say this oxide is acidic oxide, so I can write as AO, acidic oxide, right? So this is acidic oxide, right? And Al2O3, right? So since we have covered it, so this is an amphoteric oxide, right? This is an amphoteric oxide, that Al2O3, right? So I can write is amphoteric, right? So amphoteric oxide, right? So this is amphoteric in nature, right? So amphoteric in nature, right? And if I talk about N2O3, since nitrogen is non-metal, so it is acidic oxide, right? So it is acidic oxide. And Li2O, right? That means lithium is metal, that means it is also basic oxide, right? So it is also basic oxide, right? So this is also basic oxide, right? And sulfur is non-metal, so it is acidic oxide, right? So it is acidic oxide. So I can say this is acidic oxide, right? This is acidic oxide. While in the case of Na2, since this is a metal, so I can say this is also a basic oxide, right? This is also a basic oxide, right? So you can see here all the oxide I have covered, and you can see here only Al2O3 is a amphoteric oxide, right? And all the non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, and all the metal oxides are basic in nature, right? So we have 1, 2 and 3, right? So we have a you can see here, we have a 3 basic oxide. One is manganese, right? So one is manganese MgO, another is, you can see here, this is L2O, Li2O, not L2O, Li2O, and this is another is Na2O, right? So these are 3 oxide which is basic in nature, and acidic in nature. You can write here the acidic oxides are P4O10, right? So these are P4O10, and along with this we have a N2O3, right? So we have N2O3, right? And after this we have SO3, right? So we have SO3, right? And nothing more that, and only we have one more and amphoteric oxide, that is alone, that is Al2O3, that is Al2O3, right? So now we have to arrange it, right? So now we have to identify all the oxide, which one is acidic and which one is basic. Now we have to arrange it according first acidic, then basic, then amphoteric, right? So you can see here, just by seeing the option, you can easily eliminate, since these two oxide Na2 and MgO are basic in nature, right? So Na2 and MgO are basic in nature, but we have to arrange in there, in the third we have to arrange it amphoteric last, right? So in the last this cannot be not answer, right? So this cannot be our answer, because in the last we are getting Na2 and MgO, right, in both options C and D, right? And these are basic oxide, right? But we have to find amphoteric oxide, right? So here you can see this Al2O3 and Al2O3, both are acidic oxide, right? So in this way I can say this option C and option D becomes automatically wrong. Now first we have to see this acidic oxide, right? So this, since both are same, now we have to arrange it MgO and N2O3, right? MgO, as we know that MgO is a basic oxide, right? MgO is a basic oxide, right? But we have to arrange first acidic, right? So this cannot be our answer, right? So now we are left with the correct answer, that is option B, in which we have a N2O3, that is our acidic oxide, that is our first, and after this we have Li2O, that is second, and after this we have Al2O3, that is third, that means in the first we have N2O3, which is acidic oxide, and after this Li2O, which is a basic oxide, and Al2O3, which is a amphoteric oxide, right? So we have a correct answer, that is option B, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.